Hello everyone, welcome back to another video by the YouTube channel of easyJulia Coding by Mathematicians. So in this week we will continue practicing plots and we will try to design icon and banner that we have for our YouTube. So this is the function which is called sync function, and we will try not only to plot this function but also we will try to write here, and we will have those little circles, and this is the resized version of that, which is the banner. But what's the original function? Well, it is called sync function. This is a well-known function in signal processing and information theory. The normalized version has been defined in this way. And the plot is here, so the blue one, and by the icon I mean here in the YouTube channel here. So the icon is this one, and the banner is the above one, which you can't completely see that. So we will try to plot these. Now for that I'm gonna create a new Julia file here, and I'll write the date because it will be helpful for to find my Julia files easily. Now I'll need to call plots package, and also I will back in the pyplot package here. I'm writing theme here, the type of theme that I need, but actually I don't need because I'll write actually default. It will be kind of reminder for you, but if you want to use other things, that's okay. I'll put the URL in the description, so feel free to try other theme. Okay, let's go back to the atom. Now I'm gonna write the definition of a sync function. So it was f of x equal to sine pi x on pi x. Sine and pi has been recognized by Julia. Yeah. And now let's plot it. F, and the range that I want is between minus 2 pi and 2 pi. So after that, I'll press Command Shift Enter, and you know that in command is in Windows is just Control. So here it's showing that Julia is trying to plot it. So if you compile, so it will take some time. Okay, it's coming. So this is the sync function. Yeah, that's true, as you saw in the Wikipedia webpage. Now let's clean the legend there. Yeah, we don't have it. So how I gonna remove it is I'm putting the false value for leg in plots. Again, Command Shift Enter. So it's gone. Now let's adjust the size. The size that I'm gonna try is recommended by YouTube itself, and it's for the icon it's 800 by 800. So I'm writing in this way, Command Shift Enter, and you see this. By these options you can see the other previous plots. So yeah, this is the way that we can plot. Now let's try to thicken the plot. So for that, let's firstly put these here, So I'm writing plot, another plot, and writing this here, and so I will plot the second one on that. So since it's the second one, I need to put the exclamation mark here, so you can see the previous plots here. So now for thickening the plot, I'm writing, so line width, so width, so I'm putting it 4, then again Command Shift Enter, so you can see that that's a little bit thicker. Now I'm gonna write the easyJulia here. So for that, firstly, comma, I'm writing annotation. The annotation will show the first two, will show the coordinate of the text that I wanna write. So for the text inside of the quotation, I'm writing easyJulia. Okay, maybe I can choose a font and the size of the font. Yeah. So for the font, I'm writing in this way, inside of the parenthesis, the size of, firstly the size of the font 60, and inside of the quotation the name of the font. Be careful that the font should be installed on your computer. Apple Chancery, this time I'm choosing this one, and maybe the color. So for the color, I'm using the RGB, which will give me with precise number 0.8 for red, and the rest will be for the green and the blue respectively. Then I'm pressing Command Shift Enter. So okay, good. You see the plot? Yes. Now let's put some little circles here, those 3 ones. So for that I'm using a scatter command. So like other math softwares, so for using scatter, since I'm using another, it's kind of plot, so I need to put exclamation mark because it will be plotted on my current plot. So for using scatters, depending on how many circles you want to have, you are putting their first coordinate in this first bracket, and the second brackets you will put the second coordinate. So I'm writing coordinates of the 3 circles. Okay, then I'll press Command Shift Enter. Okay, so I see some scatters here, which is not good, so we will try to fix it. For fixing that, so I'm gonna write comma marker size here, then in that time I will be able to increase my scatters here. Okay, so maybe I can put 40, same size for 3 of them. And what about the color? So actually for the marker color, I can use RGB again, but maybe this time I don't need to be exact, so I'm just writing 2 dots red and 2 dots green, and also I'll write blue. Then I will press Command Shift Enter. So okay, good, very good, congratulations. Oh, we are near to finish. So let's save this beautiful plot. So as a reminder that for that we use the command savefig. Since I'm in the root, so I'm writing desktop /icon.png, so it will save the icon. Yeah, you see that. Maybe putting here, no, let's put it in the other side so it will be visible. Okay, let's try to have a new plot for the banner. Definitely the size will be different. Okay, as you see that the plot, the size will be different. So I need to change these two numbers. So I follow the recommended size by the YouTube. Okay, and the second one will change into 1440. Okay, then I'm commenting this one because I wanna preserve the previous created file. So okay, I see this plot on my atom. If I didn't comment this line, I wouldn't see the changes here, but it could be updated the file. Anyway, that line should be always commented if I wanna see the changes, because now I change it back. So since I didn't comment this line, so I don't see the new changes on my atom. But yeah, it's updating only on the original file. So anyway, if I wanna change something and see the changes here, I need to comment save comment always. Okay, now let's continue and create the banner PNG file. Okay. Okay, I'm writing the second one as well. Now, okay. So because of the condition, I need to thicken the plot and also need to increase the font size. I will not change the coordinate of the circles. I'm just changing the radii. Okay. But the circles, the red and the blue one, is a little bit far, so I'm trying to make them a little bit closer. Okay. Okay, in this way. Okay, compiling. So it seems that it looks better now. Now I can save the file in the desktop again. Okay. So these notions for the all the topics that I wanted to discuss today. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So if you want to make a comment, please let us know. Okay, but before finishing, I would like to say something, that as you see that this is the created file that we created now, and this is the style that we created previously in the Windows operating system. So because the reason is that because I used Apple Chancery here as a font style, because originally I should have used Gabriola. Because Gabriola wasn't installed on my operating system in MacBook, I wasn't able to apply Gabriola font style here. But anyway, it's not that important. You can use any font style that you want. For example, maybe you can use Times. Okay, let's write Times here. Okay, so it's compiled. Okay, good.